I know one of your leaders say that they can't see Kaluke where she is. And it is true, you can't see me. It is very true. But I'm not far away. And I want to say those who are saying it, wamekunywa tear gas the other day. Mimi nilikunywa tear gas tangu 1992 jamani. Sasa kwa wengine hawa young ones wakunywa tear gas kidogo. Au nataka niendelee na kunywa tear gas. Our young ones like Senator, I kunywa the first time when I was taking tear gas ya Moi. Wewe hata huko. Lakini endelea. We are watching you. You must continue because, quite honestly, the truth is, tuliambiwa, and we had a very good agenda for Azimio. We said all the things that we are going to do. But others also said that as soon as wakule hiyo Biblia, kiapo, unga itaenda 70 shillings. Tumengoja, haijaenda 70 shillings. Walisema mafuta itaenda chini. Tumengoja, haijaenda chini. So I think you are right. Even these discussions that you're having, the conversation, the agreement that we are having, let it be a little more transparent. Tujue ni nini munasema. Because we are interested in saving our country. We want our country to move the direction that you, Mheshimiwa Kalonzo Musyoka, you were Vice President of Kibaki. I was in that same government. Raila was in that same government. And that is when we saw a Kenya that every Kenyan was proud of. And therefore, I think we must continue putting a Kenya that is going to be beneficial and a good country for everyone.